Alright, hello mga Kachabinogis and Kachabinogers. So today we will have a new tutorial, okay? It's all about the LESF tagging in LIS or the Learner's Information System Advisors Guide. Alright, so kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification for you to get notified, okay, once may bago tayong upload na video. Okay, so I think we can start. So first, we have to know kung ano nga ba yung gagawin natin and what are some of the reminders. So first, this tagging facility is only available for learners who were previously encoded in the LIS for school year 2019 and 2020. So ito pong tagging facility na to, again, is only available to those learners na na-encode na dati pa sa LIS for the school year 2019 or 2020. So for incoming grade 1 and for incoming grade 1 to grade 11 learners, the previous school advisors for school year 2019 and 2020 will be responsible for tagging learners in the system. So meaning to say, the previous advisors of grade 1 to grade 11 ay siya po ang mag-i-encode sa LIS po natin or sa system. Okay? Sila po yung responsible sa tagging sa ating system. Then for incoming grade 12, the previous system admin for school year 2019-2020 will be responsible for tagging learners in the system. So ibang kaiba po kasi talaga. Dahil from grade 1 to grade 11 kasi that's from may junior high school, kumbaga, may kanya-kanya po kasing LIS account ang kada advisors. Okay? So, pwede talaga siya. Sa senior high po kasi may isa lang na tagahawak ng LIS, which is the LIS coordinator ng senior high. Okay? Right, so procedures for tagging the learner. First, we need to go to this website, our website, and log in your LIS School Advisor account or your LIS account. So here, nakalag in na ako. Alright. Then next, click Learner Information System. There. Next, here, since I am LIS coordinator for senior high school, magkaiba po tayo ng tab. Wala po kami nitong master list tab. Okay? Kundi diretso na po kami sa LESF. So I'm going to click on this. Alright, ayan. So dito madali na lang po. So grade classes. Piliin natin like for example for grade 11. Alright. Then, mag-ano na po ako, nag-skip na pa ako sa 3 and 4. Okay. Then, under the second drop-down list, click the not tag as LESF option. So, eto siya. So, i-generate na po niya yung mga list of names ng ating mga estudyante from grade 11 kung di ako nagkakamali. Okay? Alright, so with this, hindi ko po siya pwedeng isample since pangalan po siya ng aming estudyante. So I better use na lang po ng user guide due to data privacy law. Baka makasuhan tayo. Okay? So dito na lang po. So once na-click natin yung not tag as LESF, so search for the learner's name to be tagged under the option column. Click the pencil icon. So, eto. Alright, so once na na-search na po natin at nakita natin yung name ng ating learners, all we need to do is just to click the pencil icon. So then after that, we need to accomplish the following enrollment and survey questionnaire. So, ang kailangan lang po natin is fill upan ng sagot yung mga questionnaires based dun sa LESF survey or enrollment survey na ibinigay natin sa kanila. So, the grade level and school information group packs here. Then, for incoming grade 11 to 12 learners, the following additional information are required. So for grade level to enroll, click the drop-down list to select the semester, if it is first or second semester. Then for the track, ayan. And for the strand, kung STEM ba to, UMS, TVL, ayan. And for learners with special education needs group backs, so all you need to do is fill upan na lang po ito. Ayan. There you go. So hanggang matapos nyo po siya, so saan nyo ba makukuha yung sagot dito? So yung pong nasa online enrollment nyo, ibibigay po sa kada advisor. So bahala po kayo kung paano nyo po isosort yung sa section nyo or dun sa learners nyo. Okay. So ayan. Lahat po yun nasa online enrollment natin. So kailangan na pong sagutan. Okay. There you go. Alright, so tick the checkbox before. I hereby certify that the above information given are true and correct to the best of my knowledge, and I allow the Department of Education to use my child's details to create and or update his or her learner profile in the learner information system. The information herein shall be treated as confidential in compliance with the Data Privacy Act of 2012. So, kailangan niya po natin itong i-tick. Okay? I-tick po natin. And then, click the submit button to save the enrollment and survey tag for the selected learner. Okay, yan, submit. So, you may click the back button to cancel the tagging. So, it will prompt you to complete the form. Okay? Kapag nag-back po tayo, then once na successfully po natin na na-submit, ito po na yung magiging message po niya. So, learners LESF has been created. So, learners will be listed under the tag as LESF. Alright, so that's all for today. Hope you like our video. Okay, so again, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell notification for you to get notified once there's a new uploaded videos on my YouTube channel. Okay, bye-bye. Happy lagi!